How to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Moto G96. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After update internet connection, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system updates. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on system and then click on reset options. Now here you can see the option reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now click on it and then click on reset. After reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.